And that's a top story at this hour. This is developing from the state of Bengal, where there is a massive escalation in the political war between the TMC and the BJP. The CBI has mounted heat on Mamata Banerjee's family, serving notice to Rujira Narula Banerjee, the wife of Didi's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee. A team of 3 CBI officials along with an investigative officer went to the residence of Abhishek Banerjee to question Rujira in the coal smuggling case. This also is the money laundering case. It is learned that CBI officials spoke to Rujira over the phone and have sought time to question her. Well, as per our sources within the CBI, Rujira's name cropped up during investigation into an alleged coal smuggling case.
ये मामला यहाँ तो काफी चर्चा में है, चाहे कोल हो चाहे काऊ हो, मालवी में जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं उनके साथ उनका संबंध है। जो विनय मिश्रा का नाम आया है उसका पीछे सीबीआई लगी थी, काफी इंफॉर्मेशन उनके पास है, वो उनके बहुत निकट थे और वो निकट के कारण बाकी जो विषय है जानकारी उनके पास होगा। और सारे आप सवाल में पूछिए कि कोयला का पैसा किसके पास जाता है, सीधा सीधा उनका नाम आता है। गाय का पैसा किसके पास जाता है, सारे हम लोग सभा में चिल्ला चिल्ला उनका नाम लेते हैं। तो ये पब्लिकली चलती है। तो आज मुझे लगता है कि इसका सबके सामने आना चाहिए, छानबीन होनी चाहिए, इसीलिए शायद पहुंची है वहाँ। लेकिन लोगों का जो सवाल है, एक कोल का पैसा जाता है, गाय का, उसका निराकरण होना चाहिए। क्यों हर जगह उनका नाम आता है और ऐसे ऐसे लोग जो गैर कानूनी काम करते हैं उनके साथ उनका संबंध आता है, उनका निकटता दिख जाता है। तो स्वाभाविक जो उनसे पूछेगी कि कहाँ तक आपका संबंध है, क्यों है इनके साथ, उनका संगठन का प्रमुख पद पर रहने वाले लोग, उनके निकट के लोग इस तरह सामने लिखते हैं। और तो आज उनसे पूछेगा कि कहाँ है मामला, क्या है। इसके पहले बड़े बड़े नेता नारदा कांड में, शारदा कांड में, नहीं बीजेपी की बात नहीं है, सीबीआई कोर्ट की बात है। समाज के लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि क्यों आज तक हाथ नहीं लगाया गया। देखिए राजीव कुमार की बात है कि वो एक ऑफिसर IPS है, उनके साथ भी जब पूछताछ करने गई पुलिस, ममता बनर्जी खुद उनके घर पहुंच गई और सीबीआई अफसर को पुलिस उठा के ले गया, जाके थाने में भर दिया। ऐसा घटना क्यों होता है? तो छुपाया जाता है, तो उसका जानकारी सबको होनी चाहिए, समाज के सामने खुलाम खुला आना चाहिए।
This is a typical BJP ploy to browbeat their opponents. We shall not be browbeat, not cowed down, not threatened by whatever they do through the CBI, ED or any other central government organization. What the Bharatiya Janata Party says is of no concern for us, because this is done by Bharatiya Janata Party leadership. That's all. Bogus. That's all bogus. Abhishek has challenged them several times in the defamation case against Amit Shah. Pot shots they take, this is political. So why should we take it seriously?
All right, let's now listen in to what TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee said recently on central agencies allegedly targeting him.
আমি তো বলেছি আমার পিছনে ইডি সিবিআই লাগাতে হবে না, আমি এই মাটির সন্তান। যারা ইডি সিবিআই এর ভয়ে বিজেপিতে যাচ্ছে আর আমাকেও চমকাচ্ছ ইডি সিবিআই দিয়ে যে বিজেপিতে যাবে, আমার গলা কেটে দিলেও জয় বাংলা বেরোবে, মমতা ব্যানার্জি জিন্দাবাদ বেরোবে। আর আমার বিরুদ্ধে যদি এতটুকু কোন রকম কোন প্রমাণ তোমাদের কাছে থাকে যে আমার কোন কার্যকলাপের জন্য বাংলা মায়ের নাম কুলসিত বা কালিমা লিপ্ত হয়েছে, আমাকে ইডি সিবিআই দিয়ে চমকাতে ধমকাতে হবে না। আমি বলেছি, আবার বলে যাচ্ছি, অন রেকর্ড ক্যামেরার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে একটা ফাঁসির মঞ্চ করবে, আমি গিয়ে মৃত্যুবরণ করব।
All right, my colleague Surya Agni Roy getting us more details on that story from Kolkata. Munish Pandey is tracking the CBI from the national capital. First to you, Surya Agni. Abhishek Banerjee has said this in the past as well in that particular political rally, that I am being targeted. There's no need to do so because I am the son of a soil, essentially. This is played out in court as well. He has, in fact, taken the Union Home Minister to court, isn't it?
Well, there are two, aspects to this entire episode. Firstly, Abhishek Banerjee time and again has stated that all the allegations on him, that he is, he is the pinpoint of every corruption activities in West Bengal. there seems to be a movement, just behind me. This is one of the vehicles that Abhishek Banerjee's house owns over here. This vehicle, we need to see if someone is inside this vehicle. No, this is an empty vehicle. No one is in it. Now coming back to you. See, Abhishek Banerjee time and again has stated that, all the allegations on him by the BJP, that he is the pinpoint, the buck of corruption stops with him, that if that can be proved, he will hang himself. This is something that he has stated on record. Secondly, coming back to the defamation case between Abhishek Banerjee and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Abhishek has, the court, the MP MLA court in Bidhan Nagar, in West Bengal, in Salt Lake, in Kolkata, it had summoned Union Home Minister Amit Shah on the 22nd. Now, this is the defamation case between Abhishek and Amit Shah regarding certain comments that Abhishek found to be defamatory. Now, these two things are also, it's around this particular incident that has happened today. So, one, Abhishek has had predicted that this kind of a situation wherein, either him or his family members might be threatened by the ED, CBI. And one thing that we need to understand over here is that not only Abhishek, but even Mamta Banerjee and a host of Trinamool Congress senior leaders have time and again slammed the BJP and the central government, stating that whenever there is an election or whenever the BJP wants to do something in West Bengal, they try to threaten the local leadership over here, like the leadership of the Trinamool and the government over here. And how do they do it? They use the central agencies like the ED, the CBI, and all these agencies. This is something that, these allegations from the Trinamool are not happening for the first time, but throughout time immemorial, these allegations have been there. And something on those lines did happen today when, a notice was issued on Abhishek Banerjee's wife's name, Rujira Nirula, in a coal scam that the CBI has been investigating. Back to you.
All right, be with us. Munish also is getting us more details on that. So, Munish, given the fact that Abhishek Banerjee just yet is not even an accused in this case, what are the clues that the CBI is looking at picking during the course of the investigations, also questioning his wife? Munish, I was asking you that just yet Abhishek Banerjee is not an accused in this case. So what is the role of Abhishek Banerjee and his wife that the CBI is looking at this point in time?
Well, Sneha, if you can hear me, at this point of time, we have been given to understand by our sources in the Central Bureau of Investigation that a three-member team of CBI led by the investigative officer of the coal smuggling case, they have made it very clear to the family members of Abhishek Banerjee that Rujira has to be questioned today, and that is why a telephonic conversation has taken place, and CBI sources have told India Today that they want to question Rujira today, and that is what she has been communicated. As far as the entire investigation is concerned and the case against Rujira is concerned, she is not named accused in the case at this point of time. What CBI claims that after the recent raids in West Bengal and after recording several statements, they came across incriminating material indicating the possible involvement of Rujira in the coal smuggling case, and that is why they want to question her in this case. And
okay,
if she is not joining the investigation today, then the summons will be issued for any other date. Apart from that, not only Rujira, but also someone very close to Abhishek Banerjee, Vinay Mishra, a youth leader of TMC, he was recently raided by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and a non-bailable warrant and a lookout circular was issued against him after he failed to appear before the agency. He is still absconding in this case. CBI claims that this is not a politically influenced case, but going by the timing, questions will be raised that why CBI, starts raids just before the election, and why they want to question Abhishek Banerjee's wife, nephew of Mamta Banerjee, in this case just before the elections.
All right. Obviously, this is the political timing of all of this will always be questioned by the Trinamool Congress. Munish, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Thanking Surya Agni also for the moment. Now, ahead of assembly elections.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.